Being an attorney is tough. You juggle complex cases, high stakes decisions, and emotional clients. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, and sometimes stress can cloud your judgment. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven way to sharpen your mind, enhance your focus, and elevate your career? That's where mindful meditation comes in. Mindful meditation is more than just a trend. It's a powerful tool for building a resilient, focused mind that's ready for the challenges of law. Here's how mindfulness can make you a better attorney. First, it helps you stay focused. Mindfulness trains your brain to stay in the moment. So when you're buried in case details or drafting that important brief, distractions won't get in the way. Being fully present means you can concentrate on what matters most, winning your case. Second, mindfulness boosts your emotional resilience. In the legal world, emotions run high and staying calm under pressure is crucial. Mindfulness helps you manage stress and stay grounded, no matter how heated things get. It's about responding thoughtfully, not reacting impulsively. Next, mindfulness sharpens your decision making. By practicing mindfulness, you can approach problems with clarity, weighing your options with precision, and making sound strategic decisions. Clear thinking means better judgment, and better judgment means better results for your clients. Mindfulness also lowers stress, preventing burnout. In a high-stakes profession like the legal profession, it's easy to feel drained, but with regular meditation, you can recharge your mental energy and stay sharp. Taking a moment to clear your mind can transform your productivity and well-being. Mindfulness also fosters creativity. When you approach challenges with an open, non-judgmental mindset, you'll find innovative solutions that others might miss. Being creative in your legal strategy can make all the difference. It also helps with communication. Mindfulness improves your ability to listen, understand, and respond thoughtfully, whether it's with clients, colleagues, opposing counsel, or the judge. Effective communication is key in the courtroom and beyond. Lastly, mindfulness builds mental agility and resilience. You'll bounce back faster from setbacks, adapt to changes more easily, and face challenges head-on with confidence. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. So if you want to enhance your focus, reduce stress, make better decisions, and ultimately become a more impactful attorney, mindful meditation is your key to success. Now let's just take a moment right now to try some mindful meditation so you can experience firsthand its power. I invite you to take a pause from your busy day and get into a relaxing environment. Just a few minutes to stay out of the mental noise, reconnect with yourself, and cultivate the presence and resilience that will allow you to show up as your sharpest, most grounded self. This guided meditation is designed to help you clear your mind, release tension, and realign with your purpose. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, whether seated at your desk, in a quiet space, or wherever you can take a few uninterrupted moments. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or on your desk. If it feels right, you can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Now take a deep breath in, filling your lungs fully, and then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension. Again, inhale deeply and hold your breath for a moment, and then exhale completely. With each breath, allow yourself to settle a little more into this moment. Now just calmly and quietly. Breathe deeply and normally. Shift your focus to the rhythm of your natural breath. There's no need to change it, just observe it. Follow each inhale and each exhale, letting your breath anchor you in the present. If your mind begins to wander, maybe to a case, a deadline, or a conversation, simply acknowledge the thought without judgment and gently return your attention to your breath. There's no urgency in this moment, nothing to fix, just this space to be and to be present to yourself. Now bring your awareness to your body. Scan from the top of your head down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension. Your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Allow them to soften as you breathe. Feel your chest rise and fall, your hands resting lightly, your feet grounded beneath you. With each breath, release tension, inviting in a sense of ease. Now let's go deeper. Bring to mind the reason you chose this profession. Why did you want to become a lawyer? A moment when your work truly made a difference, whether for a client, a case, or even yourself. Feel the purpose in what you do, the dedication you bring, the impact that you have. Breathe into that feeling, let it expand, let it remind you that no matter what the challenges are, you are capable, composed, and equipped to navigate whatever comes next. Now visualize yourself stepping back into your day with clarity and presence. See yourself handling difficult conversations with calm authority, tackling complex legal issues with sharp focus, and moving through your responsibilities with balance and confidence. Now take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently move your fingers and toes, reawakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now, as you move forward today, I encourage you to carry this sense of mindfulness with you. A few intentional breaths, a moment to center yourself before a call or a hearing, a pause before responding to another attorney. These small acts can make a profound difference in how you show up, both for your clients and for yourself. You're not just an attorney, you are a leader, an advocate, a problem solver. And to bring your best to the world, you must also take care of yourself. Thank you for sharing this moment of mindfulness with me. Be well, stay sharp,